Being romantic doesn't have to involve expensive gifts or grand gestures. Look for small, everyday ways to be romantic, like leaving little love notes for your partner, holding hands with them when you're walking together, and doing nice things for them, like cooking a favorite meal or helping them with chores. Gifts can also be a great way to show you care. Focus on things that you know your significant other will find special and meaningful. For example, you could write them a poem, make them a playlist of romantic songs, or put together a photo album of some of your favorite moments together. Quality time is important in any relationship, so keep the romance alive with special dates. Try new things together. But also look for activities that you know your special someone will enjoy, whether it's a walk on the beach, a couple's cooking class, or a spontaneous road trip. And don't forget to tell your partner how you feel about them. One of the most romantic things you can do is say I love you.